Going over there? Put it over top of this. We won't.
Cool down, Bird. Get yours in there, son.
Huh?
There's
I
one.
gotta have that device on.
You said yours had a hook on it.
It does.
Let them do it while it's hot.
Get that big.
Is it? What? No, it ain't that. What? Yeah. Might be a little bit.
Wait,
You got the time. You got time?
320. You said you got a metal hook in it?
Yeah, see right there.
Oh, yeah.
What's the foot for?
Yeah, that's right. Here, grab this. Drop your own bird in.
Well, how's it gonna stack up once it goes down in there? Are we gonna be able to get it back out? We're gonna be able to fish in there and find
Hope
it?
so. I would think so. You ain't gonna drop that net with your hand, yeah. Sit that back down there. There you go. Go slow.
Stand back with your britches.
Slow.
Maybe we can turn that flame off and something later.
Got it, man. Just keep in mind where that hook's at.
We ain't never gonna find that thing.
Get him out.
Yeah, we'll get it out. You unhook it?
Yeah. Set it to it. Dang, that looks good.
320. 322.
Yeah.
340.
I got 322, yeah.
22.
322 right now. It's 322 right now.
Got turkey last Thanksgiving. Next year.
Yeah, I'm going back on third. Be plenty of leftovers for everybody.
Grab that door, Sam. There you go. You going to your mom's to eat?
Well, I was gonna plan on eating here, but I don't know if I want to eat. I'm just gonna hang out.
You going to work, big boy? Are you going to your mom's too? You got it?
I don't know. I've been there since last night, and I had no idea I was there. No one told me.
Thanksgiving is more important to me. Probably the rest of the world. More important than Christmas.
touch that one out.
Well, maybe she can throw him in the ground.
Didn't get one. See it drop down. Oh yeah. Bring it on up. Here, come here, Abby. Come here. Come here.
You don't like that noise. That noise is scary.
It's messed up.
Right here. Get your turkey juices right here. Come here.
Yeah,
She won't get too close to that heat.
Come here. Right here. Right here. Come here. Abby.
Atta girl. Atta girl.
Turkey. You don't like the heat.